Hey, it's Fizz with another Free Fund Friday. We've got a bunch of Chase offers recently, so let's switch to another bank. US Bank is offering $450 for signing up for a new checking account. This one's nice and easy. Open a new Smartly checking account and put some direct deposit money in there. And within 90 days, if you have a combined total of direct deposits over $2,000, you get $250. With a combined total of over 5,000, you get 350, and with a combined total of over $8,000, you get $450. There is an annual fee, but it's super easy to get that waived. Either maintain an average account balance of $1,500 or greater, have a qualifying US Bank consumer credit card, or have combined monthly direct deposits totaling more than 1,000. Guess what? If you're doing the requirements, you're gonna hit that last one automatically. So super easy. And plus, who knows? Perhaps next week I'll cover a US Bank credit card, unless something better comes along, that is. Also, one additional trick: if your job doesn't pay enough for you to reach the max tier within 90 days, or if you don't want to switch direct deposit with your work, you can use regular electronic bank transfers, that is, the ones that take 1 to 3 days, not Zelle, to meet the direct deposit requirements. That's what I do when I sign up for these types of accounts. In fact, the Chase account that I recommended to sign up for last week will work perfectly to perform that. You can get a 2-for-1 deal, put your real direct deposit into the Chase account, then transfer money into the US Bank account. You gotta be smart when playing these games to get all the money you can get. Anyway, the deal lasts until December 30th, 2024, so don't wait. The link's in the description, so click on that, sign up. If you have any questions, you can read the FAQ or drop a question in the comments. I answer every question that's brought up to me. This is not a referral link, so I would appreciate it if you shared with friends, since I'm unfortunately not making any money off of this one. Lastly, please like and subscribe for more free money, and see you next Friday.